Welcome to the step-by-step how to use instructional guide for the Ridgid 100-watt power inverter. The Ridgid 100-watt inverter can be used to operate and charge USB powered devices and run electrical power to laptops, tablets, phones, small power tools, and chargers up to 100 rated watts. Please note that this device is not to be powered by an outlet designated for lighting cigarettes or any 12-volt DC power source that uses a positive ground. Also, please note that some vehicles require the ignition to be turned on before power is supplied to an accessory outlet. With the power inverter turned off, insert the connector cord into the receptacle in the rear of the inverter. Plug the inverter 12-volt DC plug into the vehicle's 12-volt receptacle. Press the LED power button to turn the inverter on. The LED will light up green. If the LED does not come on, turn on vehicle ignition and press the power button to turn on. Plug devices that you want to power or charge into the inverter's USB ports or the 120-volt receptacle. The inverter LED light will be green when charging or when providing power. The top USB port is designed to support mobile devices such as cell phones. The lower USB port is a 2.1 amp port that supports most tablets. Some devices will function in both ports. An important note: if the LED power button light becomes red and remains this way, this indicates an error or overload condition. Simply press the button to turn off the inverter, then turn it back on to reset. If this occurs again, the inverter is indicating that too many devices are plugged in and they are overloading the unit. Simply remove one of the devices to regain the power needed. The unit incorporates an internal fan that will only turn on when necessary, typically with high loads. With low loads, the fan may not come on. Note: some power tool battery chargers may experience a delay in charging as the inverter synchronizes with the charger. When finished with use, disconnect your devices and turn off the inverter.